Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can sell digital products on eBay. This is going to be a step-by-step video. I'm also going to show you guys mistakes you should avoid when you are selling digital products or digital items on eBay. Now, the mistake a lot of new sellers make, which is very huge, and they don't last that long on eBay. I would like maximum eBay takes 15 days to close your account if you are doing this. For example, as you can see, Windows keys. Okay, for example, Windows keys. Just as an example, I'm going to show you guys how you can sell digital products in a few seconds. Now, as you can see, this seller here is selling Windows keys. Okay, as you can see, we're locked everywhere. They already closed his eBay account. Okay, they already closed it. Okay, the reason for that is because he is selling a digital product and he acts like he is selling a physical product. It's like a trick. He tricks eBay. Like, he also adds like the shipping company. Even though he doesn't ship, he always like sends the keys in the email. So that's the reason, that's the problem here. So that you are not allowed to do that. I'm going to show you guys the correct way on how you can sell digital products. Now, if you are selling, for example, a digital products, but you can add, for example, this in USB or CD, okay, that's really okay. You can sell it as you want. It's not a digital product anymore in the eyes of eBay. So they see it like they don't see it as a digital anymore. So if you have, for example, Windows in a CD and you are selling that CD to people on eBay, you don't really need to worry about this. You can just list the item as you list your physical products without any problem. If it's a digital product that you have to send a link to for like the customer to download, for example, ebook or like let's say like this, like Windows keys, like things like this. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to click on sell in the top right, and you want to click on create listing, click on single listing. Now after that, for example, I'm going to sell an ebook. Okay, so an ebook for I would say like ebook. Okay, I'm going to click on box. Okay, click continue without much, brand new. Okay, always good, brand new. Now after that, guys, what you guys need to do next is you want to scroll down, okay, and change the category, because you are not allowed to sell a digital item in this category. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the correct category to sell a digital item. Okay, so but if it, like I said, if you are going to ship something, even if it's a digital product, if you are going to ship the product, that's not a digital product in the eyes of eBay anymore. Okay, you don't really to worry about this. You can just put it in any category you want. Okay, but if it's something that you can send via email or via eBay messages, then follow these simple steps. Click on the category and you want to search here for something else. Okay, you want to search here for something else. Okay, it's not something else, it's everything else. As you can see, you want to click on everything else. Next, you want to click on information product. Next, you want to click on other information products. That's the right category, guys. Okay, that's what a lot of new sellers don't do. Okay, so another thing, guys, you need to do, you want to add now the description, you want to add the price, but keep in mind there is another way, guys, another thing a lot of new sellers don't do, which is this. Now you want to change the like action or buy it now to classified ad. Okay, this is very important. If you are selling a digital product that doesn't require a physical shipping, you are not going to send this product to the company and the company sends the product to the customer. So you are going to send this in email or via eBay messages. You want to select classified ad. Okay, so after, guys, you click on classified, you can also click here the duration. You can change the duration here, the advertised price you want to add here, for example, $20. Okay, so as you can see, you can also schedule your listing if you want here. Okay, so here the shipping location, you can add your own location here. Okay, and the fee here, a lot of people don't know, when you select classified ad, you are going to pay $9. Okay, $9 fee for this digital item. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how much money you are going to pay. Now if you want to go against eBay services terms and services, you can put this as buy it now and your account will get banned, just like the account I showed you guys a few seconds ago. So don't do that, guys. That's not worth it. You are going to get like suspended, and even if you create a new account, you will get suspended again, because like the robot will recognize that it's you who had an account closed before. Okay, so always go with classified ad, and make sure you click now and list the item without any problem. If you have any questions, I have been selling on eBay for like 5 years. If there is anything you don't understand here, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, just go to the comments below. I reply to everyone. Make sure you drop a like, and see you guys next video.